The problem with SEO is there's way too much noise out there, and you could be picking the wrong tactic. And you know what? If I had to put $1 against this, I would bet that you actually are picking one of the wrong tactics. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to share with you the worst SEO advice that you could be following. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way, when I release more marketing and SEO tips like this, you'll get notified. Question for you. Have you ever heard of the saying, content is king? If you have, leave a comment below with yes. If you haven't, leave a comment below with no. Well, can you guess what the worst SEO advice is that I'm going to tell you about? It's actually that content is king. They all say that the more content you create, the better content you create, the better off you're going to do. That's a bunch of baloney. If you don't believe me, go write 1,000 blog posts. Tell me what happens. I bet you what will happen is your traffic will go up, but very little amounts. And even if it does go up more than you expected, I bet you very few of those visitors are going to even convert into sales. In other words, just writing content doesn't guarantee success. Check out the Neil Patel blog. If you notice, I only create one text-based article per week. That's it. You got it right. One text-based article per week. You're probably wondering, Neil, why are you only releasing one a week? Well, I know that there's a ton of content out there. There's over 1 billion blogs. That's roughly one blog for every 7 people. That's too many blogs. That's too much content. So instead of focusing on writing a ton of content like everyone else, I spend my time focusing on promoting the content. Write one piece of content, make sure it's good, but spend majority of your time, the 80-20 rule. Take 80% of your time promoting the content, 20% writing it. When you do that, you'll find that you'll get way more traction. And if you look at my blog, I'm getting 2 million plus unique visitors a month. Out of those 2 million visitors, they come back on average 2 times. I'm getting roughly 4 million visits a month. And those 4 million visits are generating 6 million page views. And I'm doing all of that just by writing one piece of content per week. Sure, in the past I may have created more content, but I've learned that content isn't king. What's king is promotion. And the reason promotion is the king is there's already too much content. If you look at Neil Patel, you'll notice I've been doing things like Uber Suggest. That's my free marketing tool. Probably wondering, wait, why am I spending so much money and time creating this free marketing tool? Well, it's because there's way too much competition in content generation. There's not a ton of competition doing things like creating free marketing tools to get traffic, or doing things like creating marketing videos like I'm doing right now, or doing things like creating podcasts like I do with Marketing School. In essence, yes, content is still great, but you should spend more time promoting, and there's other ways to get the traffic that are more scalable and more affordable in the long run. If you need help growing your traffic in other ways than just creating content, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. If you have any questions or you're struggling with how you can grow your traffic in other forms than just creating content, leave a comment below. I'll answer it and I'll help you out. Thank you for watching.